All right, everyone. So thank you so much, everyone, first of all, to join this webinar. And the majority of the members already participate. And this webinar is going to be market analysis. Your question answer will be covered in this webinar. Right. So let's get started. And that question answer will be covered once I finish some market analysis. And the market analysis include the Euro USD, Gold, Bitcoin, and Nifty or Bank Nifty. And once I finish that one, then I will do quick question answer session with you. So if you have any question, then firstly, you need to watch this webinar very carefully. And once we have done about the market analysis, that what happening right now and what we can expect next upcoming week. So once I finish the all the thing, then I will start question answer session. In a question answer session, I will answer your question one by one. Okay. ऑटो ब्लॉक बहुत फेल हो रहे हैं कोई बात नहीं आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे राइट डोंट वरी सर एंड फर्स्टली वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द यूरो यूएसडी Okay, so we are going to start from daily time frame to lower time frame. What happening in a Euro USD and what we can expect here? Look at this one. What happening right now? In terms of the structure, if you can see the short-term trend is here showing some bullishness. And before this bullishness momentum, market was completely bearish and everything was bearish here, right? But in this day, we can see very clearly that market trying to go higher and create structure, something like this one. It means if market create like this structure, so we can expect that market looking for something next day high momentum to the upside. But before this high bullish momentum, you need to check here there is any continuation pattern is forming or forming any reversal pattern, and which point we can expect some reversal and continuation. Okay. So this was our first area when we are expecting that if market taken out this inducement, so we are planning for the sell. And that point market taken out the inducement, and once market taken out the inducement, create small pullback right here. And we are expecting market push downside. But what happened after that? Market again push higher and break this structure and candle close over. That means this PY is not accessed here, and now market trying to push higher. Again, market push downside and came back downside and mitigate something like maybe in a different time frame. And then market again going higher, push higher, break this structure here, sweep, and again going higher, take a small pullback, and again going higher. Same thing happening here, break this one. And once market break this one, we can see very carefully that market pushing higher high. That means this is our structure. Technically, this is our structure right here. This is our lower lows, and this is a lower high, and this is one more lower low here. Structure chalk, and this is our previous measure high sweep here. So once market measure sweep high, that means the market looking for short-term sell, right? So at this point, market sweep the previous high. So if market taken out the previous high, so we are expecting some short-term sell to the downside. And where is target? Target the previous low, which one is here? It means if market trying to push downside, so we can sell till this low. This is our daily time frame scenario in a Euro USD based on a high time frame price, actually trading between this higher low, and this is the internal structure. But in this internal structure, market trying to go higher, creating higher high right here. Previous high sweep here, and once market sweep the previous high, so we can expect some short-term shell opportunity. So this is our daily time frame, and we need to check here there is any 1 hour time frame structure, bearish structure form here or not. If market create any kind of like a bearish structure here, so we can plan for the sell till this low right here. So this is our previous low right here, and this is our structure. But in this structure, we can see here, this is our previous low is a broken, that's called a indice like chalk here. And after chalk, we need proper inducement. So where is our inducement? Technically, this was inducement right here, because this one is the first pullback here, and then market went up. But market not create here any kind of like structure like this one. Pushing upside, went down, create a small pullback, but not able to push downside and going higher high and like this one. And then market push downside. So technically, where is our major and minor inducement right here? This low is broken by this one. And this is a called major inducement right here. Once market taken out the major inducement, so we can expect that market looking for the sell after taking out the previous side. But before this, taken out the major inducement, this is our main minor inducement. So once market taken out the minor inducement, it doesn't mean that market looking for the like creating pullback and structure. No, this means the market taken out the minor inducement and market need to wait for it to taken out the major inducement before the sell setup. And sometime what happened, market not taken out this one and market push downside and create one more inducement, which is possible here and then sell. So once market taken out the inducement, so we can plan for the sell. Right now, market now taken out this one. Once market taken out, then we can plan sell here for the downside. And this low become our next target is here. Now I'm going to show you here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here and what we can expect here. Look at this structure here based on 15-minute time frame. Based on 15-minute time frame is a similar story here. This is our previous high, which is must be taken out before a sell setup. And this is our previous high is here. Before this taking out the previous high, you need to watch the price between this structure here. And once market taken out the previous structure, like pushing higher high, like this one, taken out the inducement, went up, mitigation and going higher high. Another inducement taken out and then start pushing higher high like this one and going higher high. So this move happening like this one, and you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. Then we can expect some certain sell opportunity and buy opportunity. So this is our counter trend and market going higher high. And right now we can see market taking out the inducement. And generally when market taking out the inducement in a first time, then means we can plan for the buy. And at this point, we are interested for the buy right here. Push downside and what happened here? This is exactly market push downside to mitigate extreme order flow and then market went up. So once market taken out this one and market going higher high, previous high is a broken push downside and this is our order block, and technically this point become our next order block right here. And this is our previous high based on 15 time frame. This is a inducement right here. Because of this one, this is our previous lower lows and previous lower high. So this is our target right here. Pick the structure, push downside, taken out the inducement, we can plan for the sell. So once price tap on it, and you need to wait for it to create a lower time frame structure. Once price create here lower time frame structure, then we are interested for the buy like this one. Going higher high, taking out the inducement, push upside, mitigation, and then buy. So this move looks like this one. Inducement, mitigation. We are interested for the buy to the upside right here. So this is exactly what we are expecting in a lower time frame. Once market tap on it, then we are interested for the buy to the upside. But if market not able to create like the structure, and then market must be create a lower time frame bearish structure as well as before the sell setup. So once market break this one, means the previous lows are broken and create here like the structure, push downside, mitigation and sell. So this area become next PY, means that this is a taken out the inducement and this is the area when we are interested for the sell. Look at this one. So this is our next PY when we are interested for the sell right here. So this is exactly you need to follow in a higher time frame to lower time frame in a Euro USD. Now let's switch on a next one is a gold. In a gold, we need to understand in a higher time frame what happening here and the lower time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, if you can see very clearly the market momentum showing bullish. So in terms of the 50-minute, because in every time frame like daily, weekly, monthly, every time frame showing extremely bullish. So this is a 15-minute structure, continue pushing higher high. It means the previous highs are taken out, which taken out the liquidity. and creating the structure like this one. Previous higher high, higher low is here. Take the previous again high, create new break of structure pushing upside, taken out the inducement, confirm the new higher high, break the structure right here, and taken out the inducement. Well, technically, this is our inducement. This is our major inducement right here. Higher high is here. And this is a higher low. Break the structure, pushing higher high, create new, and taking out the inducement. Then we can confirm our new break of structure. This one is here. And where is next one? This one. This is our next break of structure right here. So it means we can see very clearly that market showing bullish momentum, but we can see one more thing is here. One market taken out the previous high and market sweeping the previous high and grabbing the liquidity. So once market grab the liquidity, even structures are bullish and bearish. So market generally takes some reversal to the upside and downside. In this case, we can see how many times market just sweep the previous high. One attempt was here. First attempt, second attempt, and third attempt. It means price rejecting three times here recently. That means the probability of the selling is higher compared to the buy. But if market create here any lower time frame confirmation, so we can plan for the sell as we have done at this point in a three times here. Once market sweep them, then you need to switch in a lower time frame and then we can sell. Same thing happening here. This is our next order block means the SUV we can say once price tap on it and then we can plan for the sell till this low. Once market taken out this one, then we can expect that market going to higher high and market looking for the downside. So it totally depend on situation. But right now you can say that if market went up to mitigate this order block, then we are interested for the sell. And also you need to lower time frame confirmation. If market not able to go higher, then you need to wait for it to taken out this low is here. Once market taken out this one, then we are interested for the buy to the upside like this one. So this is overall scenario. And when market see the previous high low, that means the probability of the selling is a little bit higher compared to the continuation. We can see three times market gives reaction. And if market create here any lower time frame entry, so we can expect a short term sell till a previous low at least. Okay. If no, then you have to wait for it to create the structure in a higher time frame to lower time frame. Then we are interested for the sell. And once market taken out the inducement, so we are interested for the buy. Right. Simply you need to focus on these 2 points. Okay, so the gold and Euro USD is already done. Now let's move on. The next one is a Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most tradable cryptocurrency coin. In a Bitcoin, firstly, let's check here daily time frame first. What happening here? In a daily time frame structure, we can see here that market start pushing downside and creating some downside move like this one. And if market create something like this structure, that means the probability of the selling is higher right now. We can see this is an indication that market denying in a downside. That means if market creating something like this structure, so simply we are interested for the sell if market create any kind of structure. But remember, when market sweep the previous low, that means the probability of the reversal is a higher. Means the we can expect some bullishness momentum to the upside. Mean this one is a liquidity grab here. So once market grab the liquidity, the probability of the reversal and a pullback is a higher. Okay. So this is exactly happening in a Bitcoin market. And after that, we are explaining some reversal to the upside before a downside move right here. But overall direction showing short-term a bearish trend. Right now, there is no official looks any bearish indication right here. And if market create any bullish and bearish structure, so we are planning for the buy and sell. Let me show you in a different time frame, then we can expect that what happening here. Structure pushing downside, taken out the inducement. One more time is a broke here. Sweep liquidity like this one and market went up. And same thing happening here, sweep the liquidity and market went up. And new one market sweep the high, that means liquidity is taken out and market went down. So this is exactly one market sweep the previous high low. That means we can expect some buy side and sell side opportunity like this one, right? Basically, we can say here when market gap the previous higher low, that means the indication of the after sweep, the probability of the reversal is higher compared to the major trend. Okay, the major trend if bullish and sweep the previous high, that means the probability is a sell side is a little bit higher. Okay, because market can be pushed downside. And same thing applicable in this trend. If market is a bearish and taken out the previous low and sweep this one and create any kind of like lower time frame confirmation, so we are expecting that market looking for the buy to the upside right here. Which point? This one, because this one is the last buying momentum before the sell, and price can be hit this one before a downside move like this one, right? So this is exactly what we are expecting for the next move in a Bitcoin. Okay. Let's switch here in a different time frame that what happening in a 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Based on a 4 hour time frame is a similar story here. We can see firstly structure was bullish here and now turn into bearish. And if market turn into bullish to bearish, that means the probability of the selling is a higher. And now again market trying to push upside to create a to mitigate the unlimited order flow and then create any lower time frame confirmation. So we are interested for the sell like this one. If market tap on it and create any bearish structure, so we are interested for the sell. Means that this is a liquidity is a grab here, and this is zone when we are expecting that if price tap on it and we are looking for the sell in a downside. So this is the next possible scenario in a Bitcoin based on a 4 hour time frame. That right now, if you are asking that what we can expect here, look at the structure here. Before this structure, we can see this inducement taken out, and this is our zone. It means if price tap on it, this is our last selling move before the buy is here. Once price tap on it, and then we are interested for the buy to the upside on this point right here till this PY mitigation. But before this mitigation, if price went up and then we are interested for the sell. But if price not tap to the upside and price push downside, and then we are expecting some buy momentum like this one. So this is exactly what we are expecting in a Bitcoin based on 4 hour time frame. Let's see what happening here in 15-minute time frame. Based on 50-minute time frame, there is no clear structure and both side market grab the liquidity and this rinsing, right? So once market get range like this one, that means you have to wait for it some clear confirmation. And this is a not exactly any bullish and bearish confirmation. Everything looks like this one. And the structure is a bullish and bearish sweep the previous higher lows. So how many times sweep the low, push downside and break the structure, sweep, again sweep, previous high sweep, previous low sweep, again previous high sweep, previous low sweep. So the both side of liquidity is grabbing in a 15-minute time frame due to some lower liquidity compared to the forex market. So that's why in a Bitcoin market break the previous high or low so many times in a different time frame. So I will suggest you to use a little bit higher time frame, like at least 1 hour time frame for more better price. So we can understand that what happening here. So this is our 4 hour zone when we are expecting that if price tap on it. So we can plan for the buy on this PY right here. Okay. Now let's move on. Our next pair is here, Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is our bank Nifty chart and market momentum still showing some bearish condition here, and there is no bullish structure here. Everything trying to push downside. So if market momentum is a bearish and creating a structure like this one, right? So that means we are interested for the sell compared to the buy, because right now there is no bullish structure here as per the 1 hour time frame. As a day trading perspective, there is no good zone for the buys, right? And the momentum is a bearish, and as you know, some fundamentals, okay, not showing good. Okay, so let me show you in a different time frame, like 15-minute time frame. Then we can expect what happening here. Look at this structure here. This is our bearish structure here, and market trying to recover to the upside after sweep this liquidity here. I mean, this is a previous closure sweep here. Once market sweep the liquidity, that means the probability of the reversal is a higher. Again going higher high, and once market break the high, this is our next previous high sweep here. One market sweep the previous high, that means the liquidity is a sweep, push downside and creating some bullish and bearish, and finally market take an inducement right here. And after taking out the inducement, break this one, mitigate this order block, right? And we are buying, break the structure, pushing upside. That means this our next order flow is here. So if market tap on it, so we are interested for the buy, but I don't think due to some fundamental that price will hold this zone before the buy. Okay. So the probability of the buying and selling will be decided once market open it. Okay. Maybe market can be open in a gap and down. If market tap on this one, this is our next order flow is here. This is order flows are taken out the liquidity mitigation, and this the next one is here. So once price tap on it, that means the if price tap on it, so we are interested for the sell. And also if price break this low right here and push downside like this one, mitigation, and we are interested for the sell. This is a called flip anti module right here. Once price tap on it, so we are interested for the sell in downside. But still, there is no clear confirmation before the buy or sell. We can't say that what happening in a bank Nifty as per the 15-year time frame may be bullish and bearish. It doesn't. This is not decided yet here. Okay. And if I switch here in a 5-minute time frame to see exactly, based on 5-minute time frame is a similar story like a 15-minute time frame. There is no PY is there. This is our last selling momentum before the buy is there. Once price tap on it, so we are interested for the buy to the upside. This low grab the liquidity, break the structure, push downside, and this order flow mitigation and buy. Break the structure, pushing downside, this low grab the liquidity. When this is our next PI is here for the buy. Once price tap on it, create any bullish structure so we can I fail. So we are planning for the sell at this point on this flip anti module right here. Okay, so this is a analysis is enough for all guys. And now I'm going to back on your question answer. And if you have any question, then you can ask in a chat section one by one. Where are you from? I'm from India. What do you think about Solana? So I don't know about it. So because I don't trade in a crypto market, so I have no idea about it. How to identify valid order block? To identification of the valid order block, price must be create a valid order valid pullback. To marking any kind of like a order flow and order block, okay, price must be create a valid pullback. And after taking out the investment, we can plan for the buy and sell. And also, I make a video on it already, so you can watch them. So Hindenburg news scam market will be crash. I don't think, but I hope this will. But I'm sure that these type of thing impact on market maybe for short term. Okay, But these type of things definitely impact on market and create some fault in a, okay. Can I use and last after IDM? First and last of IDM. Yes. After taking out the inducement, we can plan for the buy. And if those inducement POI is a fail, then you can buy or sell on extreme POI. ऑर्डर फ्लॉक 10 में से 8 फेल होते हैं, बाकी 2 ऑर्डर ब्लॉक काम करता है, बिकॉज maybe you are not marking a proper order block and you are not marking the proper structure. Every bullish and bearish candle order block is not actual order block. Okay, because you have a, you have must be a specific reason to take a trade. Means every order block will not break. Okay, you need to find a specific zone which taken out the liquidity, and after buy sell after taking out the inducement. That's it. SUV rule when it is used and when it is not. SUV rule only used when market sweep the previous high or low. In that case, we can use, and also you can use a lower time frame confirmation when we are looking for the buy and sell, and use SUV single candle order block for additional confirmation. Will SMC work on discount and premium? I never tried it. So if anything work for you, then you can use them. Definitely. Can you explain the Euro ZVP? Sir, no more analysis, and we can answer your question and no more analysis, because the all analysis is a similar like I recently have done. Five-minute bank Nifty Mesa inducement. The Mesa inducement right here. This is our previous structure. The higher high. I'm sorry. This is a higher high, higher low. So this is our inducement, because this one is the first pullback is here. And our way there is single leg move right here, because market open gap up. I'm living in India. There are any upcoming physical offline webinar in Chhattisgarh? Sorry, we are not offering any kind of like offline classes in India. Maybe in upcoming months and years we can plan. Right now, there is no plan. Certainly online classes. Right now we are offering boot camp, the live classes, and recently we have done two live classes with a lot of members, and definitely those are very helpful for members who participate them, where you can ask and learn a real time. And I will teach everything step by step to marking a valid pullback structure, PUI, liquidity, and lower time frame entry execution. Everything will be covered, and step by step, like example, and also the question answer, everything. How can one funded account from India? For the buy any funded account, you can use crypto, and there are different payment options like PayPal, crypto. Also, they provide some bank transfer, but I will suggest you don't use any bank transfer, because due to government policy, you can't buy or sell services using your debit card in a forex market. How many pairs you trade unusually personally? Right now, I'm trading focus on the gold and also USD. Okay, and before that pair, I was trading in a ZP USD and GP Aussie. So I follow mainly one or two pair, and those pair can be different time to time. 1-to-one SMC session with student, please. Actually, well, I don't upload them. Sometime I upload, sometime don't upload because of the members, students not permissible to upload on YouTube. So that's why I don't. But some members allow me to upload on YouTube, so I upload on YouTube. Okay. Please suggest me one to forex broker for Indian user. There is multiple forex broker allowed to trade on that platform, and they allow to deposit withdrawal as per their convenience. But I don't recommend it to anyone because it totally depend on you that which one is suitable for you. And I don't prefer them. I don't suggest you because this is all about risk on yourself. You can use any broker as you like. So how many trades do you trade in a week? Sometime I take 2 days, sometime 3 days, and sometime 5 days. Okay. So it totally depend on my availability. Sometime I'm available entire week, so I trade every 5 days. But the main thing is for me that if market create a structure as per my plan, then I'm interested for the buy or sell. If no, then I will wait for next opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Khan. How can we chart up to its media I use? What medias? Means the drawing of the chart. I mean the colors. This is a chart I'm using. This is a color. This one and the rest are black. Simple. How to withdraw money in India legally? Use crypto for deposit and withdrawal, and if you make money, then pay taxes. That's it. Simple. Investment part two. Yes, sir. I will make a video on that topic, investment part two, where I will explain all about the major and minor investment. I remember, and I will make a video on that topic in this upcoming week. So you don't need to worry about it. Which platform is a good for Indian enough for the beginners? There is no platform is a good. Okay, all platforms are have similar risk. As you know, if you know that in a past few months and years, a lot of funded companies has been shut down their businesses because of their sometimes the lot of companies shut down because of their country not allowed them, and some money laundering and some unnecessary unethical like activities happen that in a funded company. So that's why they ban and they shut down their businesses. And right now, a lot of companies are running a business, and because it totally depend the risk okay, on you, that how much you are capable, because there is no single, like you can say, trustable company. If you search on YouTube that any XYZ company scam expose, you will see if some people able to make a profit, and after that they are ban them, they suspend their account. Even I face same issue with funded trader and TFT, the funded trader. Once I pass challenge one and they block me. So that's why. After SUV creation, can I enter directly without lower time frame confirmation? If you are would like to buy or sell based on SUV single candle order block without any inducements, then you need to follow the higher time frame, not the lower time frame SUV. You have to wait for it higher time frame SUV. Then you can. Which chart is accurate, FXM or Wanda? Both are good, but it's up to you that which one you are using. But personally, I use FXM. Sometimes I use Wanda without any reason, actually. For me, this is not problem because I use a little bit higher time frame, like sometime 5 minute and 15 minute time frame. I put my stop loss little bit higher and little bit downside. So that's okay. So हमें full TP तक का वेट करना चाहिए. You have to trail your stop loss until price hit your take profit. Or you can set a fixed TP like 2 hour and 3 hour. Mr. Khan, the banks are induced the SMC trader. Yes, the in these days SMC traders are targeting by the banks and institutional because of the lot of people are still buying or selling only on order block. They are thinking the order block is enough and this is the SMC. No, order block is not only SMC. If you are thinking that I think you don't know you don't know about the SMC. SMC is not order block. Order block is we are using just for the refinement of the entries. Main thing you need to understand of the behavior of the market and structure. Okay, and inducement mean the when people are going to trap, and after that trap, after that fail the structure, you have to activate your entries to find your setup for the buy and sell. Okay. If market creating higher high, then don't buy. If market is a higher high and taken out the low, then you have to buy. Then in that case, you will get more better entry for the buy. If market momentum is a bullish like this one, don't buy here. One market taken out the previous low, then we can interest it for the buy. You will get more better trade like here. In this case, right here. So this is a very simple thing is here. What if there is no order block in order flow? If there is no order block in order flow, then you have to use the order flow and trade based on the order flow. If there is no order block, no order flow, then wait for the high and low, break out them and sweep them, and then we can buy or sell. Please explain the please explain one previous week you're trading and one previous, because I take a 2 3 trades actually in a previous week in a Aussie USD. Let me show you. This was an entry based on 15-minute time frame. The previous high is steep here in a 15-minute time frame. As per the 15-minute time frame, this was entry. First low sweep here, break the structure. High is a sweep here. Market momentum just with the liquidity. That means the market looking for the bearish and create chalk, push higher, taking out the inducement, sweep this one. And after sweep this one, I was expecting some short-term sell opportunity. And immediately after sweep this one, I switch here in a lower time frame, create this one, chalk, push downside, and after that push downside, and I tap on this entry right here, and then again I enter the next position right here. So I took those two setup here. First one was here, put the stop loss just above the high and target around here. Right. And one trade I lose in a Euro USD for the those was also sell. And these trade I taken here. Can you explain BTC one more time? I already explained about the Bitcoin, and if you join late, so you can watch later anytime. I will upload on YouTube. Can you use higher time frame engulfing candle as a confirmation? Firstly, you need to backtest your criteria. If you would like to add and minus anything from your trading plan, so simply you need to backtest before applying on live trade. Firstly, backtest them, backtest that data, then you will get some good result. So you can continue with them. If you would like to that you can do more better, so simply you have to modify few things and practice and backtest. Is the bank nifty is a inside wide order flow is a in a daily candle? Maybe. Thank you, Mr. Khan. You are the great. Still welcome. This is our entire order flow is here. Right. This is a taken out. If this is happening, this is a internal. So we are not using them. It's the entire order flow right here. So there's no clear confirmation here. How to be disciplined? Please suggest me. Firstly, you need to backtest your thing and read some books. Okay. For the best discipline book is by Mark Douglas. Okay. The discipline trader, and you can say trading in the zone, which is very helpful for book for you. And I will suggest you, if you are not disciplined and very anxiety person, so simply you have to trade on little bit higher time frame. You are using 15 minute, then you have to switch on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, because when you trade on higher time frame, then it take a lot of time. Okay. Where is the IDM after chalk in our CSD, Mr. Khan? Because of the sweep already taken out the liquidity. In that case, no need inducement. If you don't know, I already make a video on it, so you can watch them. If market sweep the high or low in a higher time frame, in that case, we don't need to wait for it inducement for the buy and sell. What time is it do you normally come to check your chart, your trading entry? That what time do you normally come to check chart for a trade? Sometime I trade after New York session, sometime I trade during London session. So it totally depend on my availability. So there is no fixed time for me. So you have to teach zero to advance. Okay. Please explain order flow in 1 minute time frame. Order flow is just simple. The order flow in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame, everywhere. This is our order flow. The last buying momentum before the sell, break this one, create chalk and sell entry and put the scalp of the high. Simple. High quality setups are better than the ping pong. Yes, sir. This is not necessary to you have to buy or sell on every high or low. Simply, you have to stick on your plan. That's enough. And one trade is a high quality setup is a more better. How do you suggest to trade US 30, US 100 and US 100 and Brent? So I have never traded on that pairs you mentioned. Okay. So if you are trading on that, okay, so you can do continue. So my trading knowledge is a zero. You have to teach zero to advanced level. If you have a completely zero, then that's is not for you. Okay, clearly. And if you know some basic about the smart money concept, like some few things like structure, order block, and few things about that one. So this can be helpful for you. But if you have no idea about boss, stock, order block, or anything, then this one is not for you. This course is not for you. Thank you, sir. Okay, most welcome. Please make a video previous day, previous high low, make a video on that and session liquidity in depth, please. Okay, noted and noted your request. In upcoming few weeks, you will get a lot of high quality videos time to time as I'm delivering in a past months and years. Does time matter in a trading SMC? Likely only New York and London. No, I don't like for me, I don't think about it. Simply when create market create proper setup as per my view, so I can take entry. And if it does not matter for me that this is a London and New York. Okay. But mainly I can say that it's all about liquidity. If market taken out the liquidity in terms of the structure liquidity, in terms of the session liquidity, and then you are thinking to buy and sell, that means you the high probability is a higher that you will get a big setup as per your plan, means the profitable setup. Because one market taken out the liquidity, that means the probability of the direction, okay, is a higher. So forex in India is illegal? Of course, no. Sweep entry only need a lower time frame close or other entry. In a sweep entry means as a different mean that when market sweep the high or low, in that case, market must be sweep them and then we can buy or sell without any inducement. Okay, everyone. So I'm going to finish the webinar. And if anybody is joined too late to attend this webinar, simply you can watch this webinar again multiple time and I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible. So you can watch later anytime. Okay, everyone. So thank you so much and have a nice day and have a nice great weekend, everyone. Thank you.